This is a little decorating project I love doing for Christmas every year because our living room is filled with windows, which is one of the things that sold us on this house. So I'm just gonna give you a quick step-by-step of how to do it. It's really easy. It takes like 2-3 minutes of window tops, and it just makes the whole room look so good. First of all, these suction cup hooks are the absolute best. They also work for exterior windows. You just stick them up there, and I find they hold a lot of weight. But if you don't have these, command hooks work too. So I have my wreath that has this ring in it, and I have wired 2.5-inch ribbon that I cut to be about 2.5, 3 feet long. And I am going to put it so that it is halfway in the middle of the wreath. And this ring is going to, the hook is going to go through this ribbon into this ring. So I've got it so that the ring is right in front of this. To attach the ribbon, I just take this, we'll fold it over, but I put a push pin underneath it so it's hidden, but it attaches right along this molding piece. So if you look up here, if you look really underneath, you can see that it's just held up with a push pin, but you can't see it. And I will just trim off this excess and then it's all done. You can add other embellishments like bows or fruit or other flowers or ornaments to it. One of my favorite tricks is using some floral wire, attaching it to just a few little stems, and then it'll make it personalized to whatever color scheme and style you want.